Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna teach you a new way. It's not a new way, but a fresh way to find trends for t-shirts using a different kind of search. Let me explain. I know you got the last merch mail that said that printed baseball and tracker hats are now available in the USA for qualifying accounts. Of course, I don't have it yet in my I am not qualified yet.
Not for you, amigo.
And I'm still missing the water bottles. But this make me think I never make any designs for hats before because I've never sold them, not an Etsy, merch, and never. Oh, was in Redbubble, but Redbubble, I don't sell in Redbubble a long time ago. So I was curious. I wanted to see hats selling on merch. So I cook hats and I search for the best sellers. Why I do this? Because I wanted to see is if I found niches for t-shirt design that are selling well on hats, but don't have so many competition in t-shirts. You see what I mean? I can show you here, and let's see if I can find niches in hats that are selling very well and work on for t-shirts. Let's see.
Where are my low competition niches?
A lot of competition. Let's see more. This is the birthday of America. It's kind of sketchy. I uploaded some designs here and got some rejection. So be careful when uploading to this niche. So this ain't yet. No, it's a bad word. This look good. Excuse me, you look like you love me. Let's see. Oh, see? We have some results here. 383 products. Not a lot. That's a good number. Let's see a BSR. BSR are kind of good. 700,000. My 100,000. Looks interesting. I'm gonna download and keep it for me. Let's keep searching. Mommy, it's too generic. This one. Jim Hair don't care. We have some results. Let's see the BSR. We have 1,000 results, but BSR are not so good. Okay, let's continue. We gotta find something new there. No. Yes. Easy Tiger. Sing interesting. We have some results here. A lot of results. More than 3,000. But let's see BSR. Good BSR. Okay. I will download it. We see we are finding stuff. This one is very popular. This one, Bigfoot, is real. No. Two in my ass.
My what?
I will not upload that. Let's see. Barn hair, don't care. This is good because it is for a hat. Barn hair makes sense. Let's see a t-shirt. Oh, we have some results. The server. Let's see the amount of competition. It says more than 1,000. Let's see BSR. BSR is not so good. Okay. Let's continue. Politics. I don't like politics. Merch on demand. Put it on my husband's stuff. This sounds very good. This is funny for the wife husband niche. Wow, we have some results here. I have the raccoon. Let's see the seller. We have some reviews. 3 reviews. ESR. It's kind of good, but the competition. Okay. 1,000. Anyway, I think I like this niche, so I tap is out of this one. Let's see if we find one more. This is famous, popular. Let's see. Generic. I'm trying to find long tail keywords here. Phrases. Not short, is very generic in general. Or fuckers club. I will not delete that. Don't skip. I don't need my commies. This is for vegans.
Vegan, not vegan.
I think I've seen this before, but let's see. Serious. Got some results. Look at this. 149 reviews. That's a lot of demand. Let's see a competition. Assault. For that amount of reviews, I think it's okay. Let's see a BSR. BSR is good. not so good, a little high for me. Let's see, we found one better. You see here it's again Darwa, what I like. Certified of fart. This is fart. It's not so risky. Let's see that one. Certified of fart. We have some results here. You see, there are results in every and a little competition. 380, 91 reviews, 10 reviews is good. Like, I like this niche. We have sellers, how many sellers? A lot of sellers, and this is a good niche for that's Father's Day, grandpas, uncles, for gifts. This one I like. I'm gonna download this. So I'm gonna put this in a folder. You can see we have already 4 good niches. These I will design even myself and upload them. With this method, I think you can find a lot of niches that are not oversaturated on merch. See? Throat coat. This is this sexual. You look like you love me. This is good. But Diet Coke is trademark. You see, I think you can find also trending niches for shirts looking for, I don't know, pop sockets, tote bags, iPhone cases. I would try that also. But this worked. This worked very good. You can search mugs and search for bestsellers, and then compare it to bestsellers in t-shirt and see competition is low and has a lot of demand. You give it a try. Hope you like this new video, and this is the strategy. And please comment on the comments below if you like the stuff I'm uploading, if you would like to see another kind of video, another theme, and also if you like to criticize the channel, I'm open to that. Everything is welcome. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice weekend. See you in the next one.